we got a package. Okay. This is my healthy living box. So if you do not know, I am an independent consultant with a company called Arbonne. It is a health and wellness brand. And before my phone dropped, if you've never heard of the company before, it is a health and wellness brand and business. So they carry skincare, cosmetics, personal care, baby care, literally from head to toe we have, okay? I was introduced to the company 2 years ago while I was teaching. So yeah, I started using the nutrition, absolutely freaking loved it. And then I started using all the other things. Here we are. I decided to make it a business, of course, because I needed money. And ever since then, y'all, I've been an avid user. But I did want to show you guys what you get in your healthy living kit. Okay? It is super duper cool. And I'm just going to actually tell you guys all about it. So first, you get vanilla protein. So this is 20 grams of vegan protein, peas, cranberries, brown rice. It is really, really filling. It's only 160 calories and only 13 net grams of carbs. So I love that for me. We love that. Okay, we love that. So I got 2 of the vanilla. Vanilla is my favorite flavor, to be honest. And then I also got the gut health fiber. This is so necessary. Like, if you struggle with pooping, you need this, okay? And then I also got some recycle bags for my boyfriend and I's snacks and stuff for work or for travel. So we got another set. There's some in that little bag back there. Let's see. I got the body cleanse. So good. The body cleanse is lemon and ginger flavor. It basically acts like a toothbrush, and it scrubs all your intestines. And then I got the gut health. You guys, this shit right here is so stinking good. This really goes in and breaks down everything in your belly. And give me some time, y'all, so I can get my camera set up, because I'm using my dish strainer. And then you also get to choose 2 of the energy sticks. I picked strawberry, of course, my fave. 2 of the herbal detox tea, my freaking fave. Okay, I absolutely love all of this stuff. This in particular came with a salad shaker. It was a special that they were running. So this one came with a salad shaker. And then I bought, okay, so y'all see, I got all of this stuff, right? So I got a cleanser for free. So that's awesome. Usually when you spend a certain amount, you do get a free gift. This is Arbonne's catalog. So tight. And this is the 30 days to healthy living. Okay, so I'm just gonna read this to you guys really quickly. Basically break this down. So the 30 days to healthy living, it is a jump start to your healthy living journey. So this is not a lose weight quick kind of situation. This is to help you create sustainable and very, very, very healthy habits. So this is the #1 best-selling nutrition product set. The program is designed to act as a reset to establishing healthy habits and a healthy lifestyle. So you can get more energy, manage weight, and feel fit with clean vegan nutrition. It helps you identify how to use foods as fuel for the body, to optimize how you look and feel inside and out. It will help you identify foods that you are eating that may not be serving your body well, while you focus on adding nutrient-dense, plant-based whole foods. So y'all see how I just unpacked this box and there were no groceries. But I have this guide. I have accountability partners online as well, because we do use Facebook, Instagram, all the social media platforms to connect with our clients. And we walk you through the program. And when I first started this, I was walked through the program. My mentor, when I first met her, if I needed her to go to the grocery store with me, she would do that. And for some people, that's really the hardest part. It's what you do by yourself and after all these products are gone. Now, of course, I incorporate these in my everyday life, but I will tell the truth. When I started my wellness journey, the hardest part of the battle was, what do I eat? How do I make this shit work? And how do I make it stick? You get what I'm saying? So you guys, products aside, the accountability, the support that I get, the education that I got from this program is absolutely amazing. If you are interested, you can save 40% off for the month of December and get free registration. It's usually $29 to be a preferred client. So send me a message, reach out to me on Instagram, or you can hit the link in my description, and you guys, all the information is there. This shit is so good. If you want to save money, you need to try. But I have some work to do for the rest of the day. I did just want to show you guys that and my new apartment. We're in the new apartment. We're about to start our healthy living journey back up, because I've been on the go-go 2021. I'm so happy and so blessed to say that. But I definitely want to do a disciplined 30 days to healthy living come January 3rd. We're going to document that on YouTube. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Also, make sure you like and share this video. But until next time.